There's a popular saying, Jack of all is the king of none, but in today's world, the king has to be Jack of all. Hello everyone and welcome to Bikai's YouTube channel. I'm Ushma Menon, your online business coach, and today we will talk about one such king who aced multiple fields, starting from the bottom and right to the top. Okay, I won't keep you wondering anymore. I am talking about the founder and CEO of Cred, Mr. Kunal Shah. And if you don't know what Cred is, then you need to come back to this planet as soon as possible and let me bring you back. But before that, let's start from the scratch exactly like he did. Now, don't be surprised if I tell you that Kunal started working at the age of 50. Yes, that's right. It was initially to support his family during a financial crisis. And the struggle was real. He didn't drop his education in order to work. He juggled between a full-time job, some freelance work while pursuing his bachelor's in philosophy. I know and I agree that it's too much, but Kunal handled it all surprisingly well. Now here comes an interesting backstory. Kunal once said that his degree in philosophy guided him and pushed him in the right direction, the direction of success. More surprisingly, back then Kunal had to choose philosophy in college, looking at the class timings and work commitments. So who knows whether philosophy was even Kunal's first choice or not, but anyhow, all of this worked extremely well for him. After his graduation, Kunal was recruited by a startup BPO, TIS International Incorporation, in the year 2000 as a junior programmer. And here he met Sandeep Tandon, an investor in the startup. Sandeep was highly impressed by Kunal's personality and they both worked closely for a long time. In fact, Kunal worked at the startup for 10 years and he helped Sandeep expand his business to over 1200 companies. Years after his graduation, he enrolled for a part-time MBA at Narsee Monjee Institute of Management Studies in Mumbai. But soon he dropped out. The reason being that he wasn't there just to earn the degree, rather he was there to learn, but he was quite disappointed by the way the course was taught. From whatsoever learnings he could gather from this course, he was fascinated with consumer behavior and marketing and he dived into it during his future projects. And then in 2010, Kunal was ready for a new challenge, for a new beginning. Though he was still working with Sandeep, the entrepreneurial bug had already bit him. He brainstormed and worked on a concept that revolved around capitalizing by giving something for free. Interesting, right? Well, everything worked out and Kunal launched his first venture in the year 2009 under the name Paisaback. In simple terms, it was a cashback and discount campaign platform for retailers. Later, he shut it down. But don't worry, it was not a setback, rather a push forward. After shutting down Paisaback, Kunal partnered with Sandeep and launched Freecharge in the year 2010. And here Kunal's journey got a boost. And then in April 2015, Freecharge was acquired by Snapdeal for about $400 million. Even after the acquisition, Kunal led Freecharge as an independent entity until October 2016. And the very next year, Freecharge was acquired by Axis Bank. After leaving Freecharge, Kunal worked at various companies in different roles, such as chairman, advisor, etc. But then in the year 2018, Kunal finally founded Cred. That's right, the showstopper. Now, Cred has changed the way we look at our credit card bills. You know that feeling when we look at our credit card bill, tensed, worried and whatnot. But with Cred, it's more exciting than anything else. Basically, Cred aims to make your credit card payments simpler. Along with that, it also rewards you when you pay your bills on time. In 2020, Cred raised $80 million in Series C round, and with its value doubled in a span of just 2 years, making it worth $800 million. So we can safely say that Kunal Shah dived deep into consumer behavior and came out with a product that he knew had immense potential. Now, how did he do that? Was it an overnight revelation? We know Kunal's journey now, so we know that he really worked hard for all these years. And over time, he gathered experiences and insights into the consumer's head. It wasn't a snap that he became successful. It was consistent hard work and determination that got him this far. He himself once said that he has done everything under the sun, from selling CDs to running SaaS and even a BPO company. and today his net worth is estimated to be around $809 million. Quite a leap, isn't it? It was his hard work, strong will and persistence all along the way. One thing you should remember is to start working towards your goal positively. You might fail once or twice, but keep trying. So I hope you will pick up your goals wisely and work hard towards them. And also remember that we at Bikai will be by your side no matter what. We are just one call away. If you like this video, then you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and also click on that bell icon in the corner so that you get notification whenever a new video comes up. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, you keep growing.